Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make same length photos in CapCut. So guys, if you want to create a video by merging photos in CapCut and want to make sure that all photos length are same in CapCut. So guys, you can easily do this. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply you have to open your CapCut first, and guys, after this you have to create your new project. And guys, from here you need to add photos in your CapCut. So guys, simply for example I am going to add these photos. So guys, I have added 5 photos. Simply you have to add these pictures, and guys, after this you have to wait for a few seconds. So guys, after some seconds you will find this type of interface. So guys, already these length are equal, means same length. So guys, if you want to increase length of all of these photos, simply you have to select a picture, and guys, after this you need to scroll here, and guys, you will find here the option of speed. So guys, simply you have to decrease speed of this picture, and guys, this picture as well you need to decrease speed of all the pictures. And guys, after this you need to make sure that speed that you have selected are same, and guys, after this length will be equal on your CapCut. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.